bitch. My shit brolic, bitch. I like Breitling, nigga. My watch fucking look like lightning, nigga.
Damn.
Shit sound like thunder. Number one gunner. I don't even want no Hummer. Damn. Cause I'm big body, big box black. They call me blue black, nigga. Black and mild, nigga. Black and you like my style. Black Magic Entertainment, yeah, we do that now, nigga.
Damn. Oh shit, that shit was all like
not even about a rim. That was a shot. Two shots, man. 2 shots of Remy, man. That's all it takes.
I don't think so, motherfucker.
Y'all niggas is like, come on, man. Like, y'all finally get a chance to, you know, get exclusive footage of me, man. Cause like, I do this shit all day. Like, I just don't. I don't need to write. Like, I could write if I wanted to in my head, but like, why would I write when I'm like an urban 10 night, nigga? Niggas don't really want to fight. He pulling up an excursion. No, that's suburban park.
Niggas don't really want to fight, my nigga. I can fuck around my watch too bright, my nigga. Matter of fact, I don't rock my jewels. I keep a deep voice and fuck around cause I'm old school. That means I'll cut you from your neck to your waist. You be like, oh shit, he leaking up in the place. Yo, I talk big body talk. When I go to the car lot, every fucking car in the lot walk. I don't just cop one, you cop two. So what? That's you and your wife, y'all cop something for the crew. Nigga, I'm a freestyle cat, freestyle battle rap cat. Yo, what's up with that, black?
Damn.
Niggas don't want no problem, cause if they do, I think you testing to revolve them. Yo, y'all niggas, yo, I'm stuttering taking, and y'all niggas acting like you want a problem. Nigga, cause if you want, I could turn your fucking whole body to copper. Niggas, yo, I'm off for the top. Niggas watching me and watching my watch. Matter of fact, my watch so bright, my watch watching him and I. You be like, shit, he about to blow the spot. I don't pack handguns no more, pack grenades. Nigga ask me my last name, Muhammad. Cause I go to Mars and creep up on you behind. Niggas talking about me if I'm getting profit. Y'all niggas don't want nothing. Catch you at the Shell, copping the Dutch. Nigga, then I'm starting to dump in. Damn, niggas like, need another L, you think? We about to fuck around. Give me the phone, I'm about to call Reed. Damn, my nigga D, he ain't got no more. He had sour and Kush, matter of fact, he only had 4. I wanted 10 bags, 15 bags, 20, whatever you got, yo, whatever he had. I just wanted to smoke so bad. Yo, you know what I mean? You all welcome like a welcome mat. Yo, y'all niggas know those niggas, so I'm always exact. Me and Black go in the booth and I kick you in your back. Karate kick, Mortal Kombat, you get it? Fatality, finish him, nigga, you get it? Y'all niggas don't want no problems with me. They call me Food Swag on this fucking MIC. Matter of fact, pass me a fucking bogey, nigga. Fuck around, turn your body to a hoagie, nigga. Nigga, turn your ass to Swiss cheese. Believe if you miss, you'll miss this. Nigga like me,
I got a bogey on his cheekbone. Shit, dug that out. Give him a blood sign, and then I fucking walk home. That nigga soft, walk right off. I leave my money right there, come back, it's gone. Sight, shit, niggas ain't got no life. Niggas ain't got no right. That niggas ain't got no fight. Your heart don't pump no blood. Your heart pump water, son. Come on, dog, give me a quarter or something. Like, damn, I ain't talking about change, I'm talking about Valley. Matter of fact, give me a half in the alley, nigga. Shit, meet me, give me more Valley. And after that, I'm coming right down for the pound. If you don't give me that shit, I'ma pop your ass right now. Shit, nigga, I don't even like that style, so I can switch up. Big up, damn, I give you more bass, more taste. Nigga, like, damn, you got a soft face. I smack the shit out of little light-skinned niggas. It's like, damn, dog, nigga, I'm like Tyson, nigga. Gap tooth, nigga, move to walk cute. Brazzy handsome, that's what they call him, cause they can't stand him. Shit, nigga, you couldn't even stand a chance, cause you was better off shooting at your feet doing them puppy dances. Shit, nigga, like, damn, you got the question, got the answer. Like, damn, do they got an answer for cancer? No. And a couple of others, it's like, damn, dog, nigga, I son your mother, shit. And that's some disrespectful shit. And now these niggas coming through, they gon' wreck through shit. They saying don't stop till the beat stop. See you drop. Damn, don't stop till you cop you a drop. Damn, don't stop till you say what's up to your pops. It's like, don't fucking stop when you come through my block.
Some niggas didn't even come through your block. Talking about you been getting it, nigga. I been getting it with your pops. Nigga, you's a young nigga. Fucking with me, nigga. Yo, I fuck around my field drum niggas. Nigga, cause I get that cake. I can't wait. Niggas go in the booth and spit shit by mistake. Niggas, it's like, oh shit, take you to the wake. And I put cheese sauce on your fucking halal steak. Niggas like, niggas don't want no chicken. Know what I mean? Cause my shit's finger licking. Yo, y'all niggas like pranksters, nigga. You ain't gangsters, nigga. You fuck around and skank you, nigga. Cause y'all niggas like pranksters. So
I gotta be kidding me,
nigga, the fucking freestyle kicking it for you. You ain't gotta pay me, nigga. I'm like, go anywhere I go and represent and do me, nigga. You do you, pop bottles. Yo, I pop models. I don't think so. Yo, I'm in the clutch, pop throttle. On my bike, Kawasaki. Know what I mean? Niggas like, oh shit, I'm getting it like pops.
Getting it like pop, nigga. I pull up in Lexus, nigga. Don't stare at my fucking necklace, nigga. That's reckless, nigga. Come on, check this, nigga. Like the Nikes on my check this, nigga. Damn, don't think I was slipping. Cause I leave you with a big nose just like you was pippin'. And leave your shit dripping, damn. And then I go and eat me some chicken, grilled KFC, nigga. Play with me, nigga. Come on, nigga. Gravery. It's like, damn, with the mashed potato, coupe, and beads. Damn. Beads on my neck. Motherfucking dreads in my head if I had me some hair.
Hey, yo, on Christmas, I pull out the coupe red. Inside green. Inside, like motherfucking old ill shit. Is this a fucking gift? Yo, I don't think so. I got this off of taxes. This is what Uncle Sam gave me, nigga. When I came through the hood, yo, I wasn't acting shady, nigga. Cause, nigga, I ain't paid for shit. This what you get when you pay taxes.
The money like I got a coke deal.
Got a coke deal, bitch.
No, I don't. Coupe color oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
No ill.
Where's the cinnamon?
Cinnamon at. Come on, man. I've been in the back. I don't drive my coupes. I let niggas drive me around. I let niggas roll up and I let my other man hold the pound. That's holding it down. And I got my man in the 18 rolling with Crown. Damn, that's the king, nigga.
King, nigga.
Nigga got the AKs, SKs, and all big things, niggas. Ain't all 15s, nigga. Got big dreams, nigga. I'm tired of spitting fucking 16s.
Fuck around, all of a sudden you get stuck on the elevator. You're fucking around, you got stuck on the elevator. Matter of fact, yo, you slept on the elevator. Matter of fact, you trying to open the elevator. Yo, you don't want no fucking problem, cause I fuck around and leave you right in the problem. Damn. Niggas like, what's up, nigga? I don't think so, cause I'm about to wrap him up. You think? I don't give a... Oh, shit. Yo, here, play it back, yo.